Morning class. Okay, we start our class today. Okay. Today we move to another chapter. Okay. Okay, this is chapter 1 in form 3 topic. Okay, the topic is index. Okay, index. Okay. Okay. There are two subtopics in this topic. Okay, the first one, 1.1 is index notation. Index notation. Okay, we will learn this today. Okay, the 1.1. And the second one, 1.2 is law of index. Okay, so we just move to the first one. Okay, what is index? Okay, index notation. Okay, represent the repeat multiplication in index form and describe its meaning. Okay, index notation. Okay, is a repeat multiplication in index form. Okay, we have learned before. Okay, we have learned before in form 1 or form 2. Okay, 4 power of 3. Okay, 4 power of 3 is equal by 4 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 4. We have learned this in form 1. Okay, we have learned this in form 1. Okay, 4 power of 3 is equal to 4 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 4. Okay, the number of 4 power of 3, okay, here, the power of 3 that you learn in form 1 is written in index notation. Okay, this is in index notation. Okay, index notation. Okay, actually you have learned index notation. Okay, but you just told the this is index notation. Okay, you have learned that, but you didn't know that that was called by index. Okay, okay, in index notation. Okay, for the power of 3 to the power of 3, 4 is a base. Okay, 4 is base. Okay, we call this as base. Okay, 4 is base. Okay, and 3, okay, the power of 3 here, okay, is called index. Okay, is called index or exponent. Okay, the number is read to, okay, this number is read as 4 to the power of 3. Okay, so in index, there will be two number. Okay, in that there will be two number. Okay, two subject. Okay, the first one, okay, the first one, the last one. Okay, we call this is we call this base. Okay, the last one, the first one, you call this is. Okay, we call this base, and the smaller one is called index. Okay, the smaller one is called index or okay, index of exponent. Okay, so actually you have learned this. Okay, you have learned this. Okay, index. Okay, another example. Okay, another example. Okay, another example to show index is actually a repeat multiplication. Okay, you have four. Sorry, we came to another number. Okay, 7 to the power of 2. 7 to the power of 2 actually is 7 multiplied with 7. This is index. Okay, 7 is base. 7 is base. 2 is called index. Okay, 2 is called index. Okay, another one example, 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. Okay, okay. This is actually a repeat multiplication of 2. Okay, 2 multiply with 2, multiply with 2, multiply with 2, multiply with 2, 5 times. Okay, this is index. Okay, and 2 is a base. Okay, here is base, 2 is base, 5 here is called index. Okay, so this is an introduction of index. Okay, index is actually a repeat multiplication. and they are base and okay, index in index notation. Okay, the next one. Okay, you just jump to the example. Okay, you just skip to the example. Okay, write the following repeat multiplication in index form of, sorry, here is a power of n. Okay, write the following repeat multiplication in index form a power of n. Okay, a to the power of n. So the first one, a, 5 multiply with 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 5. Okay, so the base is 5. Okay, the base is 5. Okay, the base for A, example A is 5, and the index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the index is 6. Okay, so the answer for A is 5 to the power of 6. Okay, 5 to the power of 6. Okay, this is the first example. Okay, second example. Second example. Okay, 0.3 multiply with 0.3 multiply with 0.3 multiply with 0.3. So the base here, okay, so the base here is 0.3. Okay, the base is 0.3. Okay, index, okay, the index or the power of is 1, yields 1, 2, 3, 4. So the index is 4. Okay, and the answer we have 0.3 to the power of 4. Okay? This is B. Okay. C. Okay, C. -2 multiply with -2 multiply with -2. Okay, -2 multiply with -2 multiply with -2. So the power here is negative. Okay, I'm using a bracket here. Okay, the base is -2 and the index is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the index is, okay, the answer is -2 to the power of 3. Okay, -2 to the power of 3. Okay, that's the third one. The fourth one. Okay, fourth one. We have 1 over 4 multiply with 1 over 4 multiply with 1 over 4 multiply with 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 4. The base here, okay, the base here is 1 over, okay, 1 over 4. So the index, okay, I put a bracket, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1 over 4 to the power of 5. Okay, here you need to put a bracket here. Okay, put a bracket. Okay, if you don't put a bracket, it will become 1 over 4 to power of 5. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, so for fraction, okay, we put a bracket here. Okay. For fraction, we put a bracket. Okay. If they like this, the answer is wrong. Okay, the answer is wrong. Okay. Okay. E, number 5. Okay. Index also can use variable. Okay. Not only on number. Okay. Not only using number. The index also can be in, okay, or using a variable. Okay. Can be using a variable. Okay. Like the fifth example. Okay. M multiply with 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 M. Okay, so here the base is M. The base is M. The base is M, and okay, the index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the index or the power is 7. Okay, we read this as m to the power of 7. Okay, m to the power of 7. The last one, n multiply with n, 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 multiply with n. Okay, the base here is n. Base here is n. Okay, and the index is 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is n to the power of, okay, n to the power of. Okay. So what if we have two variable? What if we have a two variable? Okay. Example, we have A multiply with B multiply with A multiply with B multiply with A. Okay, what the answer for this? A multiply with B multiply with A multiply with B multiply with A. Okay, if we want to answer in index. Okay, actually this is like an algebra. Okay, okay, this is algebra. Okay, so we have A base, okay, base of A and base of B. So A here, okay, how many index of A? 1, 2, 3. So A to the power of 3. Okay. B, base B is 1. B is to the power of, okay. This is another topic of algebraic, algebraic expression. Okay. Okay. You can write this in your exercise book. Okay. I give you about 2 minutes. Okay. To write this in your exercise book. Okay. Don't forget. Okay. Don't forget to write down the date and the day. Okay. Today is Wednesday, 13 March. Okay. 13 March. Okay. Okay. I give you 2 minutes to write this in your exercise book. Okay. Anyone has any question, can write in comment. Okay. And write comment, or you can ask me directly. Okay. Okay. Just a reminder here. Okay. This is my reminder here. Okay. 2 to the power of 5. Okay. 2 to the power of 5, okay, is not equal to 2 multiplied with 5. Okay. Okay. This is wrong. Okay. This is wrong. Okay. 2 to the power of 5 actually is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. 5 times. Okay. This is the right one. The first one, okay, is wrong. Okay. Please remember this. Okay. 4 multiplied to power of 3 also is not 4 multiplied with 3. This is wrong. Okay. 4 to the power of 3 is 4 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 4. 3 times. Okay, remember this, right? And in variable a to the power of n also not equal to a multiplied with n. Okay, this is not equal. Okay, a to the power of n, okay, is a multiplied with a multiplied with a multiplied with a, okay, until n time. Okay, how many times? N time. Okay, N time. If N is 10, so A is 10. If 9, N is 9, so this A, okay, multiply of 9A. Okay, so please remember this. Okay, this is not equal. Okay, not equal. Okay, okay, the next question. Rewrite a number in index form and vice versa. Okay, you have learned index form. Okay, index form has a base, okay, and it has a the n index. Okay, a base and n index. Okay, here is base, here is index or alpha. Okay, so here we learn how to write this. Okay, from this index form to a single number and vice versa. Okay, from a single number into an index form. Okay, example, write 64 in index form using base 2, base 4, and base 8. Okay, so there are three base. Okay, I just divide this to 3. Okay, I divide this to 3. Okay, base of 2, okay, write in base 2, write in base of 4, and write in base of 8. How to change from a single number, okay, a number, to index form? Okay, there are two ways. Okay, there are two ways. The first one is repeat, repeat, divide, repeat, divide. Okay, repeat, divide. Okay. Okay, the first one is repeat division method. So repeat division method. Okay, repeat division method. Okay. And the second one is repeat multiplication method. Okay, multiplication method. Okay, there are two ways. The first one is divide, division. The second one is multiplication method. Okay, first we do a division method. Okay, how to do a division method to change from the single number to index form. Okay, we have a number of 64. Okay, 64. So we do a repeat division. 64, okay, we divide with 2. 64 divide with 2. And you have 32 as the answer. Right? Okay, 64 divide with 2 is 32. Okay, then repeat. Okay, the process. Okay, divide again. Okay, division again. Okay, 32. 32 divide with 2. 32 divide with 2 is 16. Okay, 32 divide with 2 is 16. Okay, divide with 2 again. Okay, 16 divided with 2 is 8. Okay, is 8. Divide again with 2. 8 divided with 2 is 4. Okay. 8 divided with 2 is 4. Okay. Divide again. Okay. Divide again until the answer is 1. Okay. Divide again. 4 divided with 2 is 2. Okay. Divide again until the answer is become 1. Okay. Divide with the base that you want until the answer is 1. Okay, so here we have from 61, okay, using a repeat division method, okay, until the answer is 1. Okay, so how to write this in index? There are two here. Okay, there are number 2 here. Number 2 here is base. you just write 2, okay, this is 2. How to count the power? How to write the power? Okay, please count here. 1, okay, 2, count the left one. 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 division. So we put here the index is, okay, so 64 actually is 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6. Okay. Anyone to ask? Anyone to ask? Anyone to ask? Okay. Before we move, anyone to ask something? No? Okay. Okay. So if we want to change to base 2, okay, we divide with 2. Okay. Now, how we, okay, now we want to change to the base of 4. Okay. We want to change to the base of 4. Okay. How to do it? Okay. Then, okay, we must divide 64. Okay. Just divide 64 with, yeah, with 4. Okay. We divide 64 with 4. Okay. Why 4? Because we want to change to base of 4. Okay. 64 divide with 4, you have the answer is 16. 16. Okay, 16. Okay, divide again. Again, divide again with 4. 16 divide with 4, the answer is 4. Okay, divide again until the answer is become 1. 4 divided with 4 is, okay, so you have 64 is equal to, okay, base 4, base of 4, index, okay, how much index here? 1, 2, 3, 4 to the power of 3, okay, so 64 is equal to 4 to the power of 3. Okay, okay, the last one, base 8. Base 8. How to do base 8? Okay, we take number 64, we divide with 64 divided with 8 is 8. Okay, 8 divided with 8 is 1. So the answer is 64, okay, is equal to base 8. Okay, how many times? 1, 2. So index, okay, the value of index is, okay, so we get the answer for 64 is equal to 8 to the power of, okay, finish. This is the first method, okay, the repeat division method. Okay, the repeat division method. Okay, okay. How about the second one? Repeat multiplication method. Repeat multiplication method. Okay, I'm using base 4 as example. Okay, I'm using base 4 as example for repeat multiplication method. Okay, repeat multiplication. Okay, so the base is 4. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, not 64 yet. Okay, so we repeat again. 16 multiplied with 4. 16 multiplied with 4 is 64. Okay, so the value here is same, 64, 64. Okay, how to take the answer? We have 4 here, base of 4. So 4, okay, to the power of 1, 2, 3. You have 3 here. Okay, this is a division method. Okay, the second one here, okay, is multiplication method. Repeat multiplication method. Okay, you can write this in your exercise book. Okay, you can write this in your exercise. Okay, move to the next one. Okay, how about the question given in fraction? Okay, the question is in fraction. Okay, write 32 over 3125 in index form using base of 2 over 5. 2 over 5. Okay, there are fraction here. And they are using fraction 32 over 3125. Okay, the base is 2, 5. So we use the division method. Okay, I prefer the division method. Okay, so the first one is 32. Okay, the upper one is 32. The lower one is 3125. 3125. The base is 2 and 5. So the upper one, okay, we divide with 2. Okay, and the lower one, we divide with 5. Okay, divide with 5. Okay, okay, 32. Okay, 32 divide with 2. 32 divided with 2 is 16. Okay, not 1 yet. Divide with 2 again. You get 8. Okay, divide again with 2. You get 4. Divide again until it become 1. Okay, 4 divided with 2 is 2. Not 1 yet. Divide with 2 again. Okay, now only it's become 2 divided with 2 is 1. Okay, this is the upper side. Okay, the in lower side, okay, 3125 divide with 5. 3125 divide with 5, you get 600. Okay, 620, 25. Okay, 625. Okay, until it become 5, until it become number 1. Okay, divide with 5. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Okay, divide with 5 again. You have 25. 25 divide with 5 again. You get 5. Divide again with 5. It will become, the answer is 1. Okay, this is the multiplication, the division method. Repeat division method. Repeat division method. So here you have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, base of 2. Here, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, base of, okay, 2 over 5. This is base 2 over 5. So how to find the index? Find the index, count number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 times. Right? 5 times. Count number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Also 5, 5 times. Okay. Both are same. Okay. Both are same. Both are same with 5 times. Okay. Here is 5 times. The upper side is 5 times, the lower side is also 5 times. So the index automatically become 5. Okay, so 32 over 3125 is equal to 2 over 5 to the power of 5. Okay, this is first method, repeat division. Okay, the second method, if you want, okay, if you want to use repeat multiplication method. Okay, repeat multiplication method. Okay, okay, some person find this, okay, this method, the second method, easier than the first method. Okay, yeah. How to do this? Okay, we have 2 over 5. So 2 over 5, okay, multiply with 2 over 5. 2 over 5 multiply with 2 over 5, you have 2 by 2 is 4, 5 by 5 is 20, 25. Okay, do that again. 4 over 25 multiply with 2 over 5. Okay, 4 over 25 multiply with 2 over 5. You have 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. 25 multiplied with 5 is 120. 25. Okay, so again, until it becomes 32 over 3125. Okay, 8 over 125 multiplied with 2 over 5. 8 times 2 is 16. 5 multiplied with 5 is 620. 25. Continue. 16 over 625 multiply with 2 over 5. 16 times by 2 is 32. 625 multiply with 5 is 3. 3,000. Okay. 3,120. 25. Okay. So this is his answer. How to write this? 32 over 3125 is equal to, the base here is 2 over 5. Okay, the base here is 2 over 5. 2 over 5. Okay, it's too long. Okay, 2 over 5. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 over 5, 5 times. Okay, so the answer here is 2 over 5 to the power of 5. Okay, I give you 2 minutes to answer, to write this in your exercise book. Okay, I give you 2 minutes to write this in your exercise book. We continue with the next one. Okay, calculate the value of a given number in index form. Okay, calculate the value of the given number in index form. Okay, 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. Okay, 2 to the power of 5 is 2. Okay, multiply with 2, multiply with 2, multiply with 2, and multiply with 2. Okay, and you get 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, 5 multiplied with 2 is 8, 8 multiplied with 2 is 16, 16 multiplied with 2 is 32. Okay, this is to calculate the value of index form. Okay, simple. Direct question. Okay, B, 0.6. 0.6 to the power of 3. Okay, 0.6 to the power of 3 is 0.6 multiplied with 0.6 multiplied with 0.6 multiplied with 0.6 is 0.36. Okay, 0.36. Okay, multiply with 0.6 and answer 0.216. Okay, this is an example, the answer. Okay, direct question. Okay, and also, or you can use a calculator to write this. Okay, to count this, to calculate this. You can use a calculator. Okay, how count in calculator? I share with you how to use calculator. Uh, okay, wait, I share with you how to use a calculator. Your entire screen. Okay, share. Okay, wait here. Okay, okay. Where is my slide? Here. Okay, slide here. Okay, and I have my calculator. Okay. Okay, can you see the calculator here? Okay, can you see the calculator? Okay, can you see the calculator? And can you see the calculator? Okay, okay. On the calculator, the first one, 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so you press number 2. Okay, you press number 2. Okay, to the power of 5. Okay, how to press number of to the power of 5? Okay, you find here. You find the symbol of arrow here. Arrow here. Okay, okay, panah ke atas. Okay, someone call payung. Okay, simbol payung ke simbol anak panah ni. Okay, the umbrella or the arrow symbol here. Okay, you press the symbol here. Okay, you get 2. Okay, to the power. Okay, 2 to the power of 5. You press 5. Okay, and you press equal symbol. Okay, so the answer is 32. Okay, using calculator, okay, a lot faster lah. Okay, a lot faster. Okay, than is the manual one. Okay, that the first one using calculator. Okay, about the second one, 0.6. Okay, 0.63. Okay, 0.63. Okay, on your calculator, okay, in bracket 0.6. Okay, close your bracket. Okay, here is to the power of 3. Okay, power of 3. You have two choice here. Okay, there's two choice here. You can use, okay, the previous method. Okay, using arrow here. Okay, using arrow here, you can use arrow here. Okay, and you put a number of 3. Okay, the answer is 0.216. Okay, this is first choice. Okay, using arrow symbol. Okay, using to the power of symbol. Okay, symbol to the power of. Second one. Okay, you can use, okay, the symbol of x3. X3 here. Okay, you see x to power of 2. There are x3. Okay, above x2. Okay, so press shift. Okay, to take this and press x3. Okay, So you have 0.6 to the power of 3. Question and equal symbol. Okay, the answer is 0.21216. Okay. If you have it, okay, it will be more faster. Okay, it will be faster lah. Okay, a lot more. Okay, any question? Okay, any question? If no question, we move to the last. Okay, we move to the last example. Okay, calculate the value of the given number in index form. Calculate, calculate. Is am I spelling right? Calculate that. Calculate. Okay. Okay. Calculate the value of the given number in index form. Okay. The first one is okay. The first one is 5, okay, to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4. So I press 5. Okay. I'm using an arrow symbol. Okay. Arrow like symbol. Okay. And press number 4. Okay. And I push an equal symbol. Okay. I get the answer is 6 to 5. 620, 25. Okay. Right. We write this answer 620, 25. That's the first one. Okay. Using a calculator. Okay. Using calculator. Okay. The second one. -7 to the power of 3. Okay. I put okay a bracket here. Okay. I push negative symbol. Okay, this is negative symbol. I push number 7. Close the bracket. Okay. To the power of 3. To the power of 3. Okay. You can use arrow light symbol. You can use arrow light symbol. Or you can use okay, this x3 symbol. Okay. Okay. The first one or the second one, okay, the answer is always same. Okay. If I'm using the second one, okay, I put shift here and I press X3. So okay, the answer is negative 340, 43. Right now the answer negative 200, 340, 40. Okay. The third one, the third one, 2 over 3 to the power of 4. 2 over 3 to the power of 4. Okay. Open in bracket. Sorry. Open bracket. Okay. 2 over 3. How to do a fraction in calculator? How to do a fraction in calculator? How to do a fraction in calculator? Okay. We using a symbol of this A, B, C. Okay. We use this A, B, C. Okay. We use this symbol. Okay. This button A, B, C. Okay. So you press 2. Okay. Fraction here. Press A, B, C. Press A, B, C here. I batu campur here, A, B, C. Okay, you have this symbol. Okay, push number 3. Okay, okay. Arrow symbol to the power of 4. Number of 4. Okay. Here, open bracket 2. Number 2. Here is A, B, C. I batu campur A, B, C. 3 here. Okay, close your bracket. Okay, to the power of 4. Okay, then What's an equal symbol? Okay, the answer is 16, okay, over 80, 81. 16 over 81. Write down the answer, 16 over 81. Okay, the front. Okay, okay, calculator again. Okay, we want to mix number. Okay, a mixed number. 1, 3 over 5. Okay, how to do this? Okay, we using ABC symbol again. Okay, any fraction, we use ABC symbol again. Open bracket. Okay, number 1, okay, number 1, ABC, ABC, okay, 3, 3, over 5. ABC again, okay, close your bracket, and the power of 2. Okay, you can using a symbol of arrow and 2. Okay, you can you can write like this. Okay, you press like this, or you can, okay, just use x square. Okay, just use x square button. Okay, so you have an answer is 214 over 20, 25. Okay, 2, 2, 14 over 20, 25. Okay, or you can write in 2.56, okay, or in 64 over 20, 25. How I do that? Okay, I put, okay, I press shift, I press ABC again, okay, at the answer. Okay, so I got, okay, I get 64, okay, over 20, 25. Okay, okay. Okay, I using, okay, I'm not using this symbol. I want to use an arrow symbol. Okay, you want to use an arrow symbol. Okay, I show that 1 ABC, 3 ABC, okay, 5, okay, and close. Okay, so 5 not yet. 5, close your bracket. Okay, an arrow like symbol and put number 2. Okay, plus and equal. Okay, you have the same answer. Shape ABC 64 over 20, 25. Last one, negative 0.5. Use your bracket to the power of 6. Okay, yeah, 0.015625. Okay, 0.0, okay, 0.015. Okay, wait, by 625. 6, okay, 625. 5, 6, 2, 5. Okay, so this answer, okay, 5 question. Okay, 5 question. Okay, finish. Anyone has something to ask? Okay, anyone to ask something? Okay, anyone? Anyone? No. Okay, no. Okay, Okay, that's all. Okay, okay. Okay. Your attendant. Okay. I take your attendance first before you leave.